Hello, if you want to remove green lines in Excel and use this method, forget it. It's easier to remove green lines with this method. Navigate in Excel menu, tab View, and click on Grid Lines. Reactivate, click. Another method, use the combination keys. Press key Alt, release, press W key, release, press V, release, and press G. Alt, W, V, and G, and the problem is solved. Grid lines will be visible or not visible. Save this Excel hack so you can use it later. I'm Alex, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!
We do it now.